Hi, it's Ray Mills from Excel and VBA Craftsman. Today I want to demonstrate my calendar tool. Well, it's an Excel add-in, so you would just simply add it by going to File, Options, you go to Add-ins, see here, and then here you just go to Go. Now here you'd have loaded it hopefully in a directory where we can reach out and grab it. So I have it set here, Excel Calendar Add-in Simple. Now, I have it selected. Now I have it set, and let's hit it, and let's say Browse. And you'll see I put it in the add-ins directory. So you can go here, and if you have any add-ins, see where they're loaded. And you want to load that add-in file that you can download from my directory. You can download from my website here, okay? So that's how easy it is to get it loaded. And then when you do that, a menu item called Calendar will appear here. So you hit Calendar, and you hit Custom, okay? And that custom calendar will pick up, right? And it does the things that you'd expect a normal calendar to do. It goes up and down months. The shaded areas represent previous and prior months. Sorry, previous and succeeding month days, right? So this represents April, even though we're in March, and this would be February days up here, right? So the two dark fonts indicate those are days that are their normal days off, right? I highlight the normal days off in a dark font. The 31st is today's date, happens to be March 31st. Happy April, happy early April. At any rate, it's the 31st, so it's highlighted in red, okay? You'll see also that it does a few more things that are interesting. If we double click on the top title, month title here, double click, it opens up our options. Well, the quick navigation is pretty straightforward. If you hit 2036, we jump ahead to 2036, and you can go higher or lower with this, right? So back at 2025, and it automatically adjusts. If we say go to March, which we are, go to April, and you'll see April appears. Now, if you look at May 26, you'll see it's highlighted with a box around it, and that's Memorial Day. Well, we'll go on with that about that in a minute. So let's go back to our normal date, which today is March 2025, okay? And it's the 31st, as we said. Now the options. In this case, we set the week to start, because that's what my business generally considers the week start as Monday, as a Sunday. But you could start your week at any day you like. We might want to start your week with Monday. And you'll see that Monday has suddenly become the start of the week, right? You can then say, what are my usual days off? Well, Sunday and Monday, Sunday and Monday really aren't. Let's go with the normal days off for the states, which is Saturday and Sunday, and we'll get rid of that Monday, okay? So you'll see it's Saturday and Sunday now, so it's the normal days off, right? So this section says copy to clipboard. So if we select the date, it'll automatically update whatever cell you're in. That's the update selection of the active cell, right? We also say copy to clipboard. So if I go here and just say Control V, it'll do the same because it's copied to the clipboard. Handy if you're filling out forms, right? And this thing really lets you go quite fast. How many months do you want to show? Let's say you're working on a quarter. You might want to show 3 months, right? And this is what it would look like. Here's your calendar, right? When you close the options. Now, this is an interesting thing. So I've loaded in the holidays and observances that are the standard vacation holidays for New York, for United States. However, you could make this whatever you wanted, right? You could have normal days. You could add in days off for when your company's closed, or whatever you need to do. That's why this is a very custom calendar. It allows you to customize it and make it do what you want it to do. So, and then you could put in whatever you want here. That though this needs to be delivered, or that needs to be delivered, and you could do all kinds. But this is really just to demonstrate all that's capable with Excel in terms of customizable calendaring and how you can run your business. We can create a custom calendar that will really, really match well or dovetail with your business. So I think I've covered everything. It's pretty straightforward, and it's available free on my website. And you can look at the notes in this video to get the answer. So thanks so much to get to the location. Thanks so much, and have a great day.